Did you know there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the world's beaches combined? This staggering fact immediately illustrates the vastness of space and sets the stage for a breathtaking journey into the cosmos that lies beyond our planet. Welcome to the fascinating world of space, where the unknown beckons and mysteries abound. In this exploration, we will unveil astonishing secrets that push the boundaries of our imagination and challenge our understanding of reality. Buckle in as we embark on an adventure that transcends time and space, pushing each of us to wonder about existence beyond our little blue planet. Despite living in an age of remarkable scientific advancement, misconceptions about space still swirl around us. For instance, many remain puzzled over dark matter, an invisible substance that makes up about 85% of the universe's mass, but remains undetected. Others are intrigued by the concept of parallel universes, a notion that suggests numerous alternate realities exist simultaneously. However, these fascinating mysteries are just the tip of the iceberg. As we delve deeper into the cosmos, we uncover multiple captivating facts. Consider the intriguing possibility of extraterrestrial life. From the frigid depths of Europa's oceans to the inviting atmosphere of exoplanets, the quest for life beyond Earth raises tantalizing questions. Another fascinating aspect is time dilation. Here, time can slow down in the presence of strong gravitational fields, challenging our perception of time itself, and the idea of multiverses expands our minds to contemplate not just one universe, but the existence of countless others, each with its own possibilities and rules. The pinnacle of our cosmic exploration reveals the most astonishing secrets. Recent discoveries of exoplanets located in the habitable zone around distant stars paint a hopeful picture of the potential for discovering extraterrestrial life. These findings remind us that every observation from deep space enriches our knowledge and brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe. In summary, we've journeyed through the wonders of space, navigating through dark matter, the search for life, and mind-bending concepts like time dilation and multiverses. Each revelation underscores the importance of exploring the cosmos, a pursuit that inspires curiosity and deepens our understanding of existence itself. We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. Which astonishing fact about space surprised you the most? Don't forget to watch more videos on our channel for more incredible discoveries that await you in the depths of the universe.